Greetings dear clients and subscribers, this is Ison. In this video, we will review the Ison Ahd50F-Cd HD surveillance camera. Here's what I want to say about this camera. This is probably the most budget-friendly surveillance camera among all Ison cameras. It features the simplest sensor, simplest lens, simplest tech, plastic casing. Camera is IP66 rated, dust and moisture resistant, can withstand temperatures down to -60 degrees. So it's not some cheap plastic here, it's quite decent quality. The simplest technologies, the simplest quality. Nevertheless, I wouldn't call this camera bad or inferior in any way. It performs better than 80% of all surveillance cameras on AliExpress. You can view a recording sample on the website to see. It is available in 2, 3, 4 and 5 megapixel versions. The company Ison offers ready-made surveillance camera systems Ison Tor. Ison Tor S and Ison Tor SE are more budget-friendly versions. These are ready-made kits that include everything necessary for the cameras to work. This is an HD camera, which means it requires a video recorder to operate. If we are talking, for example, about sets with 4 cameras, it includes the SND VR04P recorder, and also cables with BNC connectors are included in the set. There are ready-made bundles available in 18 and 30 meters. Here we see that the camera comes with an OSD menu, meaning you can control the camera settings using its own remote. The package traditionally includes the packaging, the product passport, and all necessary mounting hardware. The camera comes with the latest generation LED backlight. It also features DW, DR, and DNR technologies. The resolution, if we take the 5 megapixel version like the one we are reviewing now, is 2K. The 2 megapixel version is full HD. Externally, these versions look absolutely identical. They only differ in their internal components. If you have any questions about these cameras, feel free to ask our managers or leave them in the comments under this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss new videos.